Hey guys, welcome to Thankful Thursday. I'm a little bit later than what you're used to. That's okay. I'm still showing up, and I know you are too. Showing up every single day to design your life your way for the goals that you are working towards, for that peace, that level of finance, that level of energy that you want in your life, the happiness. So what is it today that you are happy, grateful, and thankful for? I'm going to share something with you. I'm actually happy, grateful, and thankful for the fact that today is a full moon. And it's actually the last full moon of 2022. But what this means for me today, just like every month, just like every year, there's an opportunity for new beginnings in a new cycle. And that's what I'm leaning into today. New conversations, new mindsets, new opportunities, and being open to whatever comes my way. I hope the same for you. I would love to hear what you're happy, grateful, and thankful for. What's going to move the needle for you a little bit to make some betterments and improvements in your life? And it starts by being full of gratitude. You can't be in a space of gratitude and scarcity at the same time. So it's either gratitude or scarcity. It's either gratitude or lack, but you can't have both. So just spend all of your time in gratitude and have Thankful Thursday every single day. So I don't care what you're doing right now at the moment. Stop, wiggle your toes. Now that you've done that, you're smiling a little bit bigger and you are completely in the moment. So now that you are in the moment, I would like you to think about 3 things that you are grateful for. If you're working for somebody else, you're grateful for having that sense of purpose. You're grateful for having a job, which is a paycheck. You are grateful possibly for what you're able to do with that money. Those are just some examples. Think of 3 things right now that you are grateful for. Share one of them below. That's it, my friends. Today's coffee cup. This is my water bottle. I just actually filled this up. About to eat some lunch. And I wanted to make sure that you will have a fantastic day on today's Thankful Thursday. Make it a great day.